Oh, Marlene, I meant to tell you that now that we're going to have this channel called the Information Girls, what is it you want to put on it? Like, I don't know what you want to put on that channel.
Well, there's so much stuff going on around YouTube about rumors and gossip and people who say things and they don't know what they're talking about.
So you're saying that you want to put on Information Girls, things that we read straight from the community guidelines, right?
There you go.
Okay,
That's the proper way.
Okay, so there would be no rumors, but only just the facts.
Oh, that sounds good. That's good.
Okay,
write that down.
Yeah, let me write this down. Shoot. All right. Okay, well then I guess we'll just get started with that. Do you have anything else?
Let's see. When you have a channel, we gotta jazz it up and make the channel look good. We gotta do the banner and all that stuff. And I know what else we need. We need some kind of intro, some kind of channel song.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Come on, girl. Now you can do it. You can write it. Come on.
Marlene, do you know the process of making this song? I mean, I probably could do it, but right now I just don't feel like it. But let me tell you about the process.
Okay.
First of all, you got to know you have to set up the details about your channel, which we just did. It's going to be about YouTube information, no rumors, no facts, and whatever information that we want to put up there, because it just doesn't have to be YouTube all the time.
Right.
Okay. So now that I have that information, it's going to take me at least, I don't know, 3 weeks or 4 weeks just to write the lyrics to the song. And then after that, it's going to take me another maybe 2 to 3 weeks to just even come up with a melody. I mean, you gotta write down the lyrics, and then after you even get the melody, okay, and then I sing it on my computer, make a video of it, then I send it to Lee. Then right. Lee will come back and say, Gio, you're not even on beat.
So he gives it to you, huh?
Oh, yeah, he give it to me. And then I said, okay. So then I got to go back and then keep, maybe.
Yeah, you gotta say, what's the beat?
Right. I gotta get with the beat. And then I had to do that. I have to do that 3-4 times before Lee would say, okay, I got it. Right. So that he can come up with the music of the melody that I send for him. So all together, it's going to take me about, I don't know, 2 months to get it all together. But I'll start working on it tomorrow, since I kind of know what, the song, I mean, not the song, but the channel is going to be about now. So I think I could do that. So just give me about a good 6 weeks.
Okay, that sounds good. That sounds fair. And that's why I always say, that's why it's so important when people hear a song, don't get jealous of what somebody else does. Give people their shine, because it takes a lot of work. And every time you hear a song, I always tell you that. I know it took a lot of work, and I appreciate your hard work.
Oh, thank you so much, Marlene. Marlene, I got a rough draft of the song and the melody with my own beat, and I'm going to email it to you so that you can listen to it. Okay? So I'm emailing it now.
Uh-huh.
So I want you to go over there and listen to it. And then when you come back, tell me if it's just a rough draft of me singing it. I haven't even sent it to Lee. And tell me what you think about it.
Okay, I'm going to go check my email right now.
Did you see it? Did you hear it?
Lord, I don't even know what to say.
You like it, I guess.
Not like it. I love it. I feel like I'm in the exclusive, okay? Like I just...
All right, now I'm getting ready to go ahead and send this beat and melody on off to Lee so that he can get back with me and send me the musical part of it so that I can go and make this song happen. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you a little bit later, but I'll be back. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Marlene.
Hey.
Okay, girl. Now I got the song back from Lee. And we're ready to put it on the channel, and we're ready to let people hear about this song. When I heard it, I went like, okay, because it is so good. Okay, I was like, really? Those are my lyrics, my melody. I was like, oh, wow, this sounds really good. So I'm going to email it to you right quick, and then I want you to come back on here and tell me how you like it. Okay, so I'm emailing it to you now.
Okay, I'm checking right now. Now, I'm telling you, when I heard it, I mean, my jaw was wide open. I said, she's done it again. She's done it again.
Yeah, when I first heard it, I mean, with the singing and all of this, and it came back, I was like, and it took me 30 minutes just to even think about sending it to anybody because I was like, wow, this is really, really good. So now we're ready to share it with you. Okay?
Yeah. And before I go, Gia, we got to put this on Instagram and get people hyped up over there too.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we'll do. Okay. But now here is the premiere of the Information Girls theme song. The Information Girls. Yay!
Yeah.
Information Girls. We got the clothes, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the Information Girls. Information Girls. We got the clothes, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack the channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the Information Girls. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, hey. Information Girls. With the Information Girls. Information Girls. We got the clothes, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the Information Girls. Information Girls. We got the clothes, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this jam. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact.